Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x8007054e while adding account to the mail or calendar app, then please watch this video. So if you check the mail and calendar app, now you will start facing a lot of issues with this, because they say that even when I tried launching it, as you can see, I encountered this error here. Now I'll tell you the reason for that. The reason is that they are trying to ramp down the app and it is being replaced by the new Outlook app. So here's what you can do. Simply search for Outlook and then go and click on Outlook new and try to use it. Okay, this is the best thing that you can do, and this app has all the functions of the mail and calendar app. It's a little better rather. So you can simply shift to the new Outlook app. I'll mention it as a solution. The reason is that there is nothing else that you can do about mail and calendar. The problems are because it's being ramped down. It's a server level issue. Nothing can be done locally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.